Society taught you a very comfortable lie. They told you that wealth is the result of hard work. It is not. If hard work equaled wealth, the hardest workers would be the richest. But look around. The people carrying the heaviest loads are rarely the ones in power. You have been conditioned to trade your highest value asset, your time, and you trade it for a currency that is printed endlessly by people who never clock in. This is the linear trap. 1 hour of effort equals 1 unit of reward. It feels safe, it feels predictable, but it is mathematically impossible to become truly wealthy this way. Subscribe if you want to understand more hidden patterns like this. To break out of the trap, you must learn the rule of the architect, a psychological shift that separates the ruling class from the working class. It begins with a choice. Imagine 2 men living in a village with no water. The first man buys 2 large buckets and walks miles to the river every day. He brings water back, sells it, and gets paid immediately. He works hard. He sees instant results. He feels successful. The second man takes a different path. He buys no buckets. He doesn't walk to the river. Instead, he disappears into his workshop. He begins to build a system. For months, he makes 0 money. The village mocks him. The man with the buckets calls him a fool. But the second man understands something the first man does not. He is building a pipeline. When it is finally finished, he turns the valve. Endless water flows directly into the village. The man with the buckets is instantly out of business. Comment 1. Word below. Which path are you currently on? Save or build? The architect decoupled his time from his income. He built leverage. This story plays out every day in the modern economy. Most people are carrying buckets. The millionaires are building pipelines. Why do so few people build the pipeline? Because the human brain is wired for immediate reward. When you perform a task and get paid, dopamine is released. The system conditions you to become addicted to this cycle. It anchors your mind to the short term. Building a system requires a tolerance for what psychologists call asymmetrical effort. You put in massive amounts of work up front for 0 immediate return. You must endure the void. The void is the long period where you build, test, and fail in silence. But when the system connects, the reward is entirely disconnected from your effort. You can sleep, travel, or walk away, and the system continues to produce. This is the single rule every millionaire embraces: ownership over obligation. You must refuse to let your income be bound to your physical presence. You don't need a higher salary. You need an automated machine. Software is a pipeline. Media is a pipeline. Investments and real estate are pipelines. They all do the heavy lifting while the creator rests. But to build one, you must defeat the greatest psychological trap of all. The trap is the illusion of the guarantee. A biweekly salary is a powerful drug. It cures anxiety. It provides safety, but it also imprisons your potential. When you accept the guarantee, you agree to cap your upside. You sign a silent contract that says you will never earn more than a fixed amount. The person paying you takes on the risk. And because they take the risk, they keep the true wealth. In every economic system in history, risk dictates reward. Most people never learn these systems, unless they actively study them. The aspiring millionaire understands that the guarantee is entirely fake. A job can vanish in an instant with one corporate decision. You never had control. You only had an illusion. True safety only comes from control, and control only comes from owning the system. Look at your own life for a moment. What systems do you currently own? Tell me in the comments. If the answer is none, you are currently fueling someone else's pipeline. Your time is the water they are selling. It is time to stop carrying buckets. Transitioning from the laborer to the architect is painful. There will be a period of friction. You will work late into the night, building your system. You will see no money. You will see no progress. Your friends will invite you out. They will tell you to relax. They will tell you that you are wasting your time. Ignore them. They are protecting their own comfort. When people see you trying to escape the trap, it triggers their own insecurities. The system is designed to police itself. The friction point is where 99% of people quit. They go back to the buckets. They go back to the guarantee. But you must recognize the friction for what it is. It is the cost of admission. It is the price you pay to buy back your future time. Every hour you spend building a system is an hour you will never have to work again. It creates an echo effect. One good decision today can pay you every month for the rest of your life. That is the power of asymmetric leverage. It is the only real magic in the financial world. You just have to be strong enough to build it. So, how do you begin? You must ruthlessly audit your time. Eliminate any task that does not build your pipeline. Stop consuming meaningless entertainment. It is a deliberate distraction to keep you complacent. Start acquiring specific knowledge. Learn how systems integrate. Learn how to build leverage. Start small. Build a system that makes you $1 while you sleep. The amount does not matter. The psychological shift is what matters. Once your brain realizes that income can be uncoupled from time, you will never look at money the same way again. You will begin to see pipelines everywhere. You will see the matrix behind the economy, and you will step out of the trap forever. Most people spend their entire lives reacting to the system. They carry the buckets until they are physically broken. But a few learn to understand the architecture. They endure the void. They build the leverage. And the moment you see this pattern, you can never unsee it. Some parts of this story aren't available on YouTube. If you want access to the unreleased content, it's inside the archive. Link in the description. If you want to understand the hidden rules that shape money, power, and decision-making. Subscribe to Hidden Secrets Archive. Every day we break down hidden patterns behind wealth and psychology that most people never hear. Become the architect.